Welcome back friends. In this video we will learn how to change the ringtone volume, how to set volume keys to change ringer and alert sound. Also we will learn how to adjust the call volume on the iPhone 11. To change the ringtone volume in iPhone, go to settings and here sounds and haptics. You can increase or decrease the alerts and ringtone volume of iPhone by moving this slider which is under ringer and alert section. This is the same control you can use to adjust the alarm sound. By default, volume keys are assigned to adjust the volume of media playback. If you want to change and set volume keys to adjust the ringer volume and alert volume, then enable change with buttons option by moving the slider to the right. Now volume keys will change the ringer volume. If you want to adjust the call volume while you are on call, use volume keys to adjust the volume of calls. That's it for this video on how to change ringtone and call volume in iPhone 11. I hope you find this video useful.